How to add a tally counter to the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down and tap on display. Next, we go down again, and from here, tap on edge panels. So we need to find edge panels. Tap on edge panels, then tap on panels. From here, swipe across and select tools. Select the tools panel. After that, tap on the home button. Now, when you would like to use the tally counter, just swipe out on the edge here and then swipe across until you find the tools panel. And from here, tap on the more button at the top and change the tool to tally counter. From here at the bottom, you can set a target. So say if you have a target of 100, set 100 and tap on done. Here, tap on the tally counter, and when it reaches 100, it will vibrate. So let's change it to say 50 and tap on done. Here you can see if I reach 50, it will vibrate and it goes into the red color, telling me that I have now reached over the limit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.